Hello, for Jesus, we are not just a crowd of people. Even if there are so many of us that we assimilate a big crowd because each of one wants to be healed, has so many problems and want help. Jesus is not treating us as a crowd. He is treating us individually. Each of us is for him a separate thing. It's touching each of one of us separately. So the response of people who are touched by Jesus are different also. We know from the Gospel of today what was the reaction of the mother of wife of Peter. We know that he started to serve them, and we can only imagine what are, but we don't know, reactions of other people who were ill and now they are well. And we can also think what will be our reaction on the touch of Jesus. So many people, so many different reactions. So Jesus is not permitting that the bad spirits will, as one crowd and one voice, say, He is the Son of God. No, each of us has to discover what does mean for me. Even if this is Son of God, what does mean for me? What does mean for my relationship with God, that He is Son of God? And this is what is interesting for Jesus. This is what His mission is about, to create in us an individual response, only one, but sincere and true. Thank you.